Korea.
And where are you guys from?
From Namibia and from Ukraine.
สวัสดีครับ
Good evening and welcome to opening ceremony of Asia Youth International Model United Nations 2018. Which located in Prince Palace Hotel, Bangkok, Thailand on 3rd of November 2018. This Asia Youth International Model United Nations is organized and supported by International Global Network.
We're modeling United Nations during the Council UNESCO. Yeah. And which country do you present?
So those cannot find your green cards or your makeup is not clear yet.
And I'm going to present my own country, Indonesia. Oh, see you guys.
These conflict nations, especially Syria. The delegate of Syria. So you have a delegate of Syria. We have to represent delegate of Syria. If delegate of Syria, also as a government, I'm from Lebanon and we are suffering from the refugee.
The topic we discussed was the access to education and health care for children in the conflicted and post-conflicted zones. These are the delegates of Asia Youth International Model United Nations 2018, which consisted of 75 different nationalities.
Ya apa? Iya, jadi kita udah di ending AYIMUN nih. Udah ending. Can you explain me what is this?
Very hot.
Oh my god. This is a laughing gas, but we don't know what is it. Okay, let's.
This place and the next two places were part of city tour of AYIMUN, so I went to these landmarks together with other delegates. This place is awesome, cause look, anyone is free to write down their names here. Usually for couples, I'm single but still I wanted to write down my name. This is also a very beautiful temple, and my favorite part about this place was I could walk around it while eating ice cream.
Ciamik guys, nih ya teman aku ini ketemu saudara-saudaranya guys tuh. Ini paling gede nih. Wow, this was my first time trying a cheese tea. Actually, it's also available by other brands in my country, but since I don't consume dairy milk, so I had never tried it. But if I'm in a holiday, I will eat and drink anything. Wah, ini kayaknya ciamik banget sih. Ini aku pilih es krimnya rasa banana. Yummy. I tried several brands for milk tea, and I think the most delicious milk tea is by this brand so far. So, what I needed to do was to take a sky train from Ponchet Station to Sapantaksin Station, and I continued to take a boat to get to the Asiatic. And there are lots of cafes and little shops here. This place is so gorgeous. I love it. Guys, I'm so happy because I found this shop in the Asiatic where we can make our own personalized passport cover, and I designed mine myself. And about the price, don't worry guys, it's cheap there. Unfortunately, I forget the name of this restaurant, but it's also located in the Asiatic. And for the price, I think it's not that expensive because in total I paid around 200 baht for all of the things that I eat and drink here. And it was yummy. This is salted egg squid. And this is tom yum with prawn. Wow. This is what I call the best hostel I've ever stayed at. It's called HOM Hostel and Cooking Club. It is located on the 4th floor of Nana Square, and I found it randomly on Google, and I booked a room with 6 beds for female only. This hostel is so comfy and makes its guests feel like it's a home, and there is a free cooking show every day in the evening.
We're cooking dumpling in coconut the tapioca flour.
Okay. Oh,
it's a little bit of a tedious one,
the butterfly
anytime you work with dough,
butterfly pea water, which is from this flour.
Okay, today we review Halloween.
What does that mean? What do you mean butter feeling?
Little dumpling.
Yes. And what is it for?
This is called quail egg, and for putting on top.
Oh.
Is it hard to make?
No, it's easy.
It's easy, right?
Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. So, this little girl named Celia from England, she told me that it's her birthday in 2 days. And look what's gonna happen. You know what? Even her parents were surprised. Because it's not her parents who made the surprise. It's the staffs of the hostel who cooking with us. So I believe one of them heard our conversation earlier. And not only that, guys, I also asked one of the staffs there about a good Thai restaurant near the hostel because I wanted to eat seafood before I leave Thailand, and they gave me these prawns for free, guys, for free. Thank you so much for dinner. It's so nice. Wow. Hi guys, so pagi ini aku mau sarapan. Tapi aku tuh nggak pernah sarapan di hostel. Lucu ini gitu loh pemandangannya. Jadi ini pemandangan kota Bangkok gitu. Nah ini tuh kayak garden gitu, small garden. So I'm gonna have a breakfast here. Look, it's so cute, right? Ooh, Allah. Look, that's the sky train. Look, it's amazing, right? Guys, look what I found. This is a very cute cafe that I found in Siam Square 1, and it's called Bidak Cafe, and I ordered mango soda. Wow, so cute. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog in Bangkok. Bangkok is so gorgeous and I definitely want to come back again one day. See you on my next vlogs.